Hey Jammers, this guy right here, he likes me. He likes me. It's weird, really weird. He's gone. Phew, okay. I made that video to tell you guys that, he liked me, so that was really weird. That was weird, just saying. Yes, this will be my permanent look. I don't like head feathers, so that won't be my permanent look. I will be changing this from this to my pink gazelles. I'll be changing from that to that, okay? So every video you might see me like this, and you might see me like this. So, I really don't know. Let me pause the video real quick. So I will be, another thing is, I will be unlocking my den. I will be unlocking my den for Jammers, so you can roam around my den and stuff. So yeah, I will be adding on to my den, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be stop playing anytime soon. So you guys can just roam around my den. Sorry, I have this cold. Yeah, but you guys can roam around my den and stuff, throw parties at my den, whatever you want. Yeah. So, I also have something to show you. Lions are back. Yep. I don't have enough, so that's sad, because I really don't have enough for a lion. Yeah, that's sad. Sad. Very sad. I don't have enough for a lion. Isn't that sad? Yes, I am playing with the screen. Sorry. What? Out of the diamond shop? What? What did she say? What? What? $2010? Wow, and she doesn't have her spike? That is weird. She's been playing since 2010. I did. Okay. Okay then. Wow. That is really weird. That's just weird. Ooh, she has her spiked wrist. Whoa, oh, wow. Let me trade for that. Let's see. Monday rares are worth nothing. Just saying, Monday rares are really just worth nothing. So if you try to trade Monday rares for something, she's not gonna say yes. Whoever you're saying. Yeah, it's, wow, it's packed, that's what it is. She has a good collection of stuff. Really, spike for 2 artist plaques? I don't think that's very fair, even though they are beta. I really don't know. I don't have any rares anymore, so please help me with that. Please help me with that, cause I really need help. I really need help to earn spikes back. I mean, not spikes, rares, cause I traded rares for the head feather, which, yes, I know that was a horrible trade, just a horrible trade. Now my inventory has gone down, really down, but, if you heard a door open, that was my grandma. Yes, my parents are in the Bahamas. So they're taking care of me for the week, which is sad. That's sad. Sad. Oh, I really don't know. I can't make videos around here. Because everybody's barging through the doors and stuff. So, if you hear BB beeps, I don't think you can hear them, but they're really annoying. Really annoying. Just showing you all of that stuff. I don't really have anything to show you. I really don't. Oh, by the way, the only computer I can make videos talking on is my laptop. So if you see videos of me typing, that means that I am on my desktop, because my desktops don't have any microphone. So just showing you all of that stuff. Yes, I've paused quite a few times in this video, and I'm sorry for that. It's just because I don't want to be caught making a video. So, because then they would want to watch, and they'll ruin it. My brothers, yeah. They're fine with me making a video, but, whoa, but they just don't really. I'm gonna try this video. Answer the true or false questions narrowing to decide if you think it's cool. This is awesome. Okay. Yeah, that's not. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, we got it right. Woo! Burbus. Pooh. Gorillas are not related to chimpanzees. Dang, again? I am not good at this. Toucans live in small holes. True. That's like totally true. What? My gosh. I'm gonna just stay on false. I've been to the zoo before. Woo! Yeah, woo. I'm gonna play this for the rest. I'm just gonna play this for the rest of the video. Female mountain lions usually have around 2 to 4 cubs per litter. Yep. Oh, yay! Everybody got it right except that rabbit and stuff. Hippos give birth to multiple offspring. I don't know. Woo! Yay! River dolphins are known to have shorter breaks than ocean dolphins. I don't know. Oh, really? Zebras mainly eat grass. Wee! I like this game. Woo! Okay, let me pause it. Okay, so, see you, jammers, and play wild. I just wanted to show you that the newest updates of Jamaa. See ya!